Hey guys, this is another interesting LeetCode problem, LeetCode 1214, that is two sum BST. So in this problem, we are given two binary search trees and we need to find two unique values from binary search tree 1 and 2 so that they add up to the target. If they add up, then we can return true, else we can return false. So in this case, if target is 5, we can add 2 plus 3, that is 5. One thing we need to remember is that we cannot add two nodes from the same binary search tree. We need to add from the different binary search trees. So in this case, suppose target is 18 and then we need to find two nodes, but we can see that here 10 is the highest number in the first node and first binary search tree, and 7 is the highest node in the second binary search tree. So adding up that will add up to 17. So we cannot reach the target 18, so we can return false. So let us see the approach. The basic intuitive approach is to convert that into a sorted array. Like suppose this binary search tree can be converted into 1 to 3 and this one can be converted into 0 1 3. So after converting them, it is just plain applying of a two sum approach, where basically we can use either two pointers or a hash set. So in case of two pointer approach, what we can do is we can start one pointer from here and another pointer from here, and we keep on adding those two values, and if the value which we got is less than the target, then we can increment the first pointer. If the value is more than the target, then we need to decrease it, so we can decrement this pointer, and we keep on carry on this process. We can carry on this process till we get the target value. So this is two pointer approach, and another approach can be to use a hash set. So basically we iterate over all the elements in the first array and we try to store the target minus that value in the hash set. So suppose we iterate over 1, so we store 5 minus 1, that is 4. For 2 it is 5 minus 2, that is 3. For 4 it is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So we can store 4, 3 and 1 in the hash set, and then we need to iterate once more for the second array and we check if any of the elements, that is 0 1 3, if any of the elements are there in the hash set or not. If it is there, then we can just return true. So in this approach, like we are just creating another two arrays, which I think is not required, so we can remove that part. So in this second approach, we are removing that part. So iterate over the first array just like we iterate, we go over a binary search tree and we try to store each and every value. So we do a in order traversal root left and right. So whenever we reach a root and root is not equals to null, then what we can do is we can store target minus root of value in hash set. So after completion of that step, what we need to do is we again need to iterate over the second binary search tree and check if any of the elements are there in this hash set or not. So this is the same approach as this one. So here time complexity will be big of n1 plus n2 because first we need to go over all the elements in the binary search tree 1, and then second again we need to go over all the elements in the worst case. So space complexity is again big of n1 plus n2. This first n1 is basically the hash set, whatever space we are taking, and then n2 is basically for the recursion stack. So we can you can follow up my second part for the code. Thank you so much.